Here's a quick video to show you how to log into your parenting course. So first you're going to go to flvs.net, come up here across the top, click Login, and you're going to click on County Virtual School. At that point, you are going to sign in with your username and password that you created when you made your account with FLVS. Once you have signed in, you'll see a dashboard that will list all of the courses that you are currently enrolled in. You're going to find the one that says Parenting Skills and click on that one, and it will open up your parenting course. So once you've logged in to the actual course, you will see on the announcement page all of my contact information, so you'll always know how to find me. Over here on the side, these do change periodically, so make sure you always kind of take a look. The important things up here right now are the guided note sheets for modules 1 through 4, and then the second one for modules 5 through 8. This second screen has some information on academic integrity. It also has the course pacing guide. Remember, it's to complete one module per week. Some resources to help you prepare for your midterm exam, and then again some resources to prepare for your final exam. And then down the side is just a review and vocabulary quiz for the end of each module. All right, so once you are in the course, to actually find your lessons, you're going to click up here on the first icon, looks like a book. The Getting Started does have a lot of great resources, so if you are brand new to online courses, I would definitely take a look at it. If you are an experienced student with online courses but have maybe forgotten how to do something or can't find something, always check there. It's a great place to find lots of good information. So then to actually access your courses, your coursework, you're going to click Lessons, obviously starting with the first module. So once you click in there, it will open up the list of everything for the module. Do not hesitate. Not everything has an assignment attached to it. There are only 4 assignments per module, so you don't have 12 assignments. But if you do click on that first thing out of each module, the checklist, it will kind of give you an overview of what that module is going to be about. And then it gives you timing estimations. Now, of course, these are just estimates, so it's going to vary from person to person. But if you are trying to determine, timing for the week, scheduling out your assignments and things like that, this is a great resource to come in here and utilize. One module will take you roughly somewhere between an hour and a half to 2 hours worth of work if you are accessing these times. Okay, and then it just kind of goes over some of the overview. So to get to your next lesson, or your first lesson rather, 1.01, there's a few ways you can get to it. You can click this arrow and it just takes you straight to the next page. You would read this material for lesson 1, click the arrow, it'll take you to the next lesson, and it will progress all the way through. You could also click this little kind of clock looking thing, and you will see all of your modules in one place. So you can click into module 1. So let's say you're coming back and you are now on lesson 4, so you can click on 4, and it takes you right into that lesson for 4 instead of kind of scrolling all the way through. Okay, so you will definitely read all of your lessons that go along with each particular module. When you get to 1.08, you have come to your first assignment. Okay, so you'll read all of this. It will go through what it is you need to do for this particular assignment. It will give you the questions that need to be answered. And then down here, it's telling you how to submit it. Okay, so you need to read through all the lessons, and then you will go to the assessment area and complete the assignment for 1.08, review and critical thinking. So your assessment area is this second icon that looks like a box. So you would click on that, And then you will notice the first thing listed is 1.08. Okay, so you would click on that. We'll open it up. It's going to again give you the points. So there are two ways that you can submit. You can either type your answer straight into the student comment box, or if you have typed your answers in a Word document and saved it as a Word document or a PDF, you just click Add Files. It will open up where you've saved files on your computer. So you would just search for it and upload it that way. Make sure you click the Submit for Grading button. You'll notice once you've done that, it says Save for Later. Once you've clicked it, it changes to Submit for Grading. So then you would click that. It's going to double check. It's asking me, because I don't have anything attached, do I want to submit this? I'm going to hit cancel because obviously you wouldn't submit anything that was empty. So you'll get a message that says it was submitted. And then you'll notice when you come back to your workload that that assignment is now removed because you have already submitted it. Okay? So you'll go to the book to find your lessons, the assessments to find where to submit them. Then in this main menu, there's lots of information in here. Probably the one you will utilize most often is your gradebook. So if you click that, it opens up your grade report for this course. It does show you the color coding scale. So as things start getting graded, you'll notice they will either be blue, which means you submitted them, waiting for me to grade it. It will be green, it will be red, or it will be grayed out. Nothing for this particular course gets grayed out, so you won't have to worry about that one. And at the top, once you start submitting things and having things graded, obviously you will see what your grade is for the course. It also does a countdown of how many assignments you have remaining in this course. Now, if you ever wanted to resubmit something, okay, so again, I submitted this, I didn't have anything attached to it, so I want to go in and resubmit it. Through your gradebook is how you would do that. Okay, so just like I did, I was in my gradebook, I clicked on the assignment title, and then it opens up the assignment for me. So I can either, again, type it in here or add a file and then submit it a second time. Okay, so those are the main features of this course. The other aspect you do have in here is to email me, and I will occasionally email you through the course as well. If you have emails waiting for you up next to this envelope, you will get a number, so you'll know that you have emails in there. So you would just click on it and it works like any email system. You do to, just start typing in my last name and it will populate. It has a subject, a body, text box, and then you just click to send it. All right, if you have any questions about navigating the course, cannot find something, please reach out.